Greetings everyone, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia, and welcome to Tai Chi 24 Basics, the fourth installment. Today we're going to go over hands wave like clouds and single whip with an alternative stance. Alright, then let's get to it, shall we? So last time we ended up with single whip. Of course. So your hands are going to be going in a circular motion like so. So from here, we're going to rise. So breathe in. And sink as we breathe out. I think I did a little bit too many repetitions. Okay, so from single whip. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in as we go into single whip. Breathe out. All right, so once more. From single whip, rise. And rise. And rise. Sink. We're going to rise. And sink into single whip. All right, everybody, that's it for today. That was short and sweet. I just want to point out, because I just noticed it, and it will probably be in the background, but that mask is not mine. I don't have one on me right now, but if someone comes out here and I see them, then right there's my garage. I run to it and I go put mine on. As always, if you liked the video, hit the like button down below, share it, subscribe if you haven't already, and next time we're going to review the what we've gone over so far and go over some pointers. And until then, keep practicing.